I've been chasing after numbers, filling up my empty hands, saving every little treasure, thinking that it makes me stand. But when the markets start to tremble and every plan begins to shake, I see how fragile all my trust is if it's not built on what you say. Then your promise cuts through my fear, clearer than the lies I hear. You'll never leave, you'll never walk away, not in hunger, not in plenty, not in night or brightest day. I can live with open hands, trusting more in you than gold. For you have said you won't forsake, so my heart will rest in what you've told. I compare my life to others, measuring by what they own, but you remind me of a kingdom where Christ himself is all I hold. You don't despise my daily needs, you just refuse to let me build my deepest hope on fading riches. When you offer something real, so I loosen what I cling too tight, hold your word as my true life. You will never leave, you will never walk away, not in hunger, not in plenty, not in night or brightest day. I can live with open hands, trusting more in you than gold. For you have said you won't forsake, so my heart will rest in what you've told. Teach my soul contentment, not in what I can possess, but in knowing you are with me, in abundance or in less. If I have you, I'm not empty. If I lose all, I'm not alone. You remain my constant portion, unshakable, my home. You will never leave, you will never walk away, not in hunger, not in plenty, not in night or brightest day. I can live with open hands, trusting more in you than gold. For you have said you won't forsake, so my heart will rest in what you told. Fix my gaze on only Him, rich or poor, in loss or gain. You are here and you remain. I've chased approval like a moving light, changing who I am to fit the night. Every passing word could shake my ground, till I heard your love is where I'm found. You don't build my worth on what I do. You anchor it in what is true of you. Now I'm asking for a deeper grace, to know your heart, to see your face. Plant my roots where they won't move, in the depths of love that flows from you. Rooted in your love, grounded in your heart, learning every height and depth of who you are, till I'm filled with all the fullness from above. Jesus, let my life grow steady, rooted in your love. I read the words but want them to breathe, more than thoughts that I just agree. I want a strength that storms can't steal, a love that shapes the way I feel. Teach me with your people by my side, to see how wide and long and high, how deep the love that took the cross, that will not let me stay lost. Let every fear begin to fade, as I rest in love that does not change. Rooted in your love, grounded in your heart, learning every height and depth of who you are, till I'm filled with all the fullness from above. Jesus, let my life grow steady, rooted in your love. Let my choices, let my dreams flow from mercy I have seen, not from pressure, not from pride, but from Christ who lives inside. Stretch my heart to hold much more of this love I'm living for. Rooted in your love, grounded in your heart, learning every height and depth of who you are, till I'm filled with all the fullness from above. Jesus, let my whole life testify to this unshakable love. When the winds of doubt arise, keep my roots in Jesus Christ. All my days and all I've done, let it grow from love begun. I see the waters rising high, enemies closing from behind. There's nowhere left for me to run. I feel my courage come undone, but in the panic and the fear, I hear your quiet voice draw near. The Lord will fight for you. You only need to be still. Lay down your frantic plans. Trust my power, trust my will. I am the fire before your night. I am the wall on either side when you can't see the way through. I will fight and carry you. I've worn my soul out swinging swords, trying to win what's yours, not mine. You never asked me to save myself. You just called me to stand in your light. So I lift my trembling hands. Let you be God, let you command. The Lord will fight for you. You only need to be still. Lay down your frantic plans. Trust my power, trust my will. I am the fire before your night. I am the wall on either side when you can't see the way through. I will fight and carry you. Teach me to stand, not run ahead. To rest my heart on what you said. Red Sea moments, fear and sand. Still you move with sovereign hand. The Lord will fight for me. I only need to be still. I lay my weapons down. Lean on promise, not my will. You are the fire before my night. You are the strength on either side when I can't see the way through. You will fight and carry me too. You fight for me. The battle starts in the quiet of my mind. Old desires waking up, trying to climb. Voices whisper, no one has to know. Shadows pulling, trying to drag me low. But I am not alone in this fight. You are here, bringing hidden things to light. You make a way to stand when the pressure closes in. Every time temptation comes, you are stronger than my sin. You never leave me trapped with no door to run through. In every test and every flame, you make a way back to you. I've fallen hard and I've tasted regret. Told myself that's it, this is the end. But even there, in the mess that I made, I find your mercy calling out my name. choose your way and trust, not by willpower on its own, but by grace that leads me home. You make a way to stand when the pressure closes in. Every time temptation comes, you are stronger than my sin. You never leave me trapped with no door to run through. In every test, in every flame, you make a way back to you. Lift my heart and clear my eyes. Let me see the path you've planned. Faithful Lord, you make me stand. Place me here on an ordinary street, ordinary job in the same old seat. But you said light was never meant to hide, so let your glory show in this small life. Not for my name, not for my fame, but so the world can see your grace. Turn their eyes from me to you. You didn't call me just to sit and sing, but to live love out in everything, in every choice and quiet hidden place. Make my heart a window for your grace. When I'd rather fade into the dark, courage in my heart. Shine through my life, Jesus, let them see more than just my weak humanity. Like a city on a hill that can't grow dim, let every day point back to Him. Use every word and work I do to turn their eyes from me to you. Let my kindness be a lantern, let my patience be a flame, let forgiveness be the brightness that makes them ask about your name. Not for credit, not for show, just to make your goodness known. Shine through my life, Jesus, let them see more than just my weak humanity. Like a city on a hill that can't grow dim, let every day point back to Him. Use every